The unique PreFlex function of the Genium and Genium X3 provides 4 degrees of knee flexion at heel strike. Walking with stance flexion is encouraged because of this. The user will perform a pattern closely approaching natural gait because of this function. Another important benefit is the increased shock absorption during heel strike. In general, PreFlex should always be activated. But if this function generates an uneasy feeling at heel strike, it can be deactivated. Often users coming from a mechanical knee joint want to feel a harder heel strike. In the long run, almost all users accommodate to a pre-flexed knee after nearly a week and don't want to go back. So always encourage your patients to give it a try. It really is worth it.